Rolling.
Rolling. All right. Well, today, because my daughter says that I need to make a video, I'm going to make a video. And so she is my camera person. And today we are going to make a birdhouse. This is from, I believe, the Winfield collection. This is the birdhouse that we're going to make.
It's the Crazy Man birdhouse.
It's the Crazy Man birdhouse. And so we'll be making this out of 3/4 inch cedar. I've got that. And we'll be cutting, kind of resawing some of the little parts down that need to be cut down to 1/2 and 1/4. Kind of, yeah, not a great way of. Okay, so this is the pattern. We have the outside pieces, and those are listed over here. So I'll cut those out using the table saw. And then I will use the scroll saw to cut out the non-dimensional shapes. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. This is the piece of cedar.
It's really tall.
Yeah, it's a 6-piece of cedar. I think you're supposed to get one. You're supposed to get one birdhouse out of 5 feet. So we will have hopefully a little bit left over for some intarsia projects. And yeah, so that's what we're going to use.
Just getting the pieces for the birdhouse. Dad, you still want me to be filming? Yeah, he's gonna cut the 3rd piece, I guess. Dad wants to get this video up to.
Let's get 100 likes.
Okay.
Or 1 million likes.
I think that's a little overboard. So that cut smoothly. Is it okay if I stand here, Dad?
Yep. Be careful. Oh, there's the back. Now let's do the front.
Here's a quick look at the back. All the pattern. Okay, now let's do the back.
Okay, so here we are. We're going to do the front.
I mean, this is the back. Oh, you do want that over there.
Yeah, this one. Oh, that's too bad.
Well, it just broke. So that's Dad, how about you turn that off before you put that back? Okay. Well, now we're here.
Okay, can you see?
Yes, we can see. Well, this will be a better angle.
Okay. There we go. Here's one. And that's why it failed. 'Cause I didn't do it right. That's okay.
Done.
There we go. There's the front. Yeehaw.
See, you can see the difference because the chin's a little waggly.
Yep.
This one isn't.
So that's front and that's the back. Now we've got some of these.
So then there's
I will-
eyes, there's different things. Like
Yep, there's eyes.
There's
Whoops.
the face, the beard, the mustache,
Yes,
the
the
lip,
face. The face. And actually, he doesn't have a beard. This is just the face,
Oh,
and
I know,
then
it's
he's got
the
a
same.
mustache.
Yeah.
But
Looks
the
like-
mustache, that is the eyebrows.
Oh, it's a very...
They're supposed to cut 2 eyebrows, but they're only supposed to be a 1/4 inch thick. So I'm going to cut these this one eyebrow, and saw a couple of eyebrows out of it. Little small things out of it. So,
Oh.
all right.
So,
So, first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to take off this piece of wood, make it a little bit easier. That's right.
there
Alright.
we go. You kind of got some of this off, but you notice its location.
Yep.
So now...
Well, basically, this here, I need to cut this out because it has, this is where the nose goes. So,
Okay.
why don't you hand me those 2 things over there?
This?
Yep.
Is there another thing that you want?
Nope.
Okay.
So, these 2 are the ears. These 2, I believe, get glued together and they
With the
get
nose.
put in the nose. So,
I think one goes there, one goes there.
I think that you may be right.
And this is the hair. It looks kind of like a 4-fingered hand, but
Yep, that's the hair. It's a crazy guy, so
you've got to have hand hair.
I'm going to change the blade on the saw because...
Dad, you know how long this one video is? It's
How
8.
long? Alright. So you can probably go ahead and cut it off for right now.
Okay. So now we have the hair, one piece of hair done, and my dad, I know, is working on a second piece of hair.
Yeah, it's amazing what a new blade will do.
Yep, it goes a lot faster.
It goes a lot faster and it's a lot more accurate.
Yep, a lot more accurate, he said. So here's what it looks like, and I don't know if this paused it.
Okay, well, all the pieces, I believe, are cut out. I'm gonna have to do some of the angling. See here and here. I just remembered that as I was talking here. And so the nose pieces are going to need to be sanded down a bit. Yep, they're kind of off. And so otherwise,
Dad, what's this?
that's the hole for the birds to go in. So this will need to be drilled out. You may just drill them out after it's all been glued together because, yeah, it all gets glued. Or it gets drilled all the way through, not to the back, but to this.
You don't have to worry about it.
So I think what we'll do maybe is glue this up first. Well, first I'll do the sanding, and then we'll glue this stuff up first. We'll drill the hole, and then we'll put the birdhouse together. Okay.
Another question. Do we have to drill out the same thing for this stuff, or is it just going to
No, that's just the back. So.
Oh, it's pretty on the back.
Yep. So
That'll be
basically what we'll do is we'll just take this off, we'll sand it just a little bit to get this off.
So the birds don't have the creepy man face.
Yeah.
I'll probably scare it away.
Yeah, we don't want to cause the birds any undue harm. So, although after that one bird was such a jerk by keeping on and hitting our window, I think that maybe we should scare the birds. Maybe this is how we scare the bird. Okay, maybe not. All right. So. Anyways, so that's what we're gonna do. We'll get some of this stuff sanded down. Probably make some of these curves. Okay. Some of these curves we'll make those a little softer, etc. So otherwise it looks like it's going to be doable. So
Dad, are you sure the bird's gonna be able to fit through the small hole?
well, it's for certain birds. It's not for the fat robins or anything like that. Or probably not nice to say fat robins. I think we should probably say the overly weighted pigeon, or not pigeons, but robins. So, all right. Well, that's what we're gonna do. So,
Dad, there's a snake.
okay. So I've got the face glued together.
We're clamping.
Yeah, it's clamped. It's not completely done. This is a progress. Eyebrows, and we have the nose. I kind of cut that out. I sanded down just a little bit, but I kind of cut this to be a little bit bigger. That was a little bit easier than sanding it down. So need to clean up, and we'll get it going. That will be after we go to the store.
As you can see, my dad has sawdust all over his head. Like
I get into my work.
Like it's all over your head. It looks like you have more sawdust.
You're not filming very good, are you?
Oh yeah, I am filming now.
Okay. So, my camera person decided that she wanted to go to night swim, so I guess I'll have to finish this. Here's the end product. This little birdhouse. Crazy guy. Looks crazy. I think we'll say success on this one. Thanks.